Before we take this journey together, Prepping Family disclaimer. This video is intended for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Thumbnails are created to catch attention and may not accurately represent the actual content of the video. Content includes opinions and information gathered from public sources and personal parenting experience. We do not claim full accuracy. This video does not intend to target, defame, or disrespect any individual or organization. I am not a licensed child psychologist or family therapist. Always use your own judgment about what's appropriate for your children and consult a professional if you have concerns about a child's anxiety or well-being. The views expressed here are my own. This content is meant to spark thoughtful reflection, not to tell you what is right or wrong. Please watch with an open mind. Thank you for being part of our prepping family. August is closing out, and a handful of everyday household items are already showing early signs of tightening supply, some tied to seasonal demand, some to production costs. These 15 things are what smart preppers are grabbing before the month is out. Number 6 is one almost nobody thinks to stock. If you're new here, I cover practical, no hype preparedness, the stuff that actually matters. Subscribe for more lists like this. Let's get into it. Item 15, laundry detergent. Concentrated or powder detergent stores well for a long time and is one of those items people forget until the bottle's empty. Grab an extra 1 or 2 now. Item 14, dish soap. Cheap, essential, and easy to stock in bulk. A few extra bottles cost almost nothing and remove one more thing you'd have to worry about later. Item 13, hand soap and sanitizer. Basic hygiene supplies are always among the first things to clear off shelves in any regional disruption. Keep a real backup stock, not just what's under the sink. Item 12, toothpaste and toothbrushes. Small, cheap, and completely overlooked until you're out. A few extra tubes and a couple of spare toothbrushes per family member is an easy win. Item 11, feminine hygiene products, often forgotten in general prep lists, but essential for any household that needs them, and one of the items that disappears fastest and gets talked about least. Item 10, diapers and baby wipes. If you have young kids, this is non-negotiable. Sizes sell out fast in any disruption, and there's no real substitute. Stock ahead of need, not during it. Item 9, aluminum foil and plastic wrap. Useful for cooking without power, food storage, and even makeshift repairs. Cheap now, genuinely useful later. Item 8, Ziploc bags. Food storage, waterproofing small items, organizing supplies. One of the most versatile items in any household and one of the cheapest to stock heavily. Item 7, matches and lighters. Redundancy matters here. Don't rely on just one fire starting method. A box of matches and a few lighters cost almost nothing and take up no space. Item 6, super glue and basic repair adhesive. Here's the one most people never think about. In an extended emergency, small repairs, torn gear, cracked containers, broken tools add up fast. A couple tubes of strong adhesive solve problems duct tape can't. Item 5, extra prescription, glasses, or contact solution. If anyone in your household depends on corrective lenses, a backup pair or extra solution is cheap insurance against a genuinely disabling problem. Item 4, pet food, often the most forgotten item on every list. If you have pets, a proper stockpile for them matters just as much as one for your family. Item 3, manual coffee grinder or a French press. If your morning routine depends on electricity, a manual backup keeps a small piece of normal life running, which matters more than people expect during a stressful event. Item 2, extra phone chargers and cables, cheap, easy to overlook, and easy to lose. Having spares in your kit means a lost or damaged cable doesn't cut off your communication. Item 1, cash and small bills. Rounding out the list, and during power outages, car systems can go down entirely. A modest stash of small bills means you can still buy what you need when digital payment isn't an option. That's 15 household items worth grabbing before the month's out. None of them expensive, all of them easy to forget until you actually need them. If you want a full household prep checklist, the guides linked below. Subscribe for more lists like this and tell me what you already have covered. Stay ready, not scared.